Hey, welcome to the channel Do You Know? Pour yourself a glass of wine or juice, queue up Netflix and get ready for healthy hair. If you're watching this, it's probably time for you to set aside an evening this week to pamper yourself and show your hair some care. To help you plan your wash and lather night, we've put together 7 of your favorite homemade masks and hair care products from the stuff everyone has in the kitchen. Eggs and henna mask for hair growth. Eggs are a rich source of protein, which serves as a building block for our hair. The protein-rich egg will make the hair stronger and voluminous. It's especially beneficial for those with fine, thin, or damaged hair. Do you know? What's more, if you are suffering from pattern baldness, egg may be the key to promote new hair growth. A team of Japanese researchers found out that the yolk of a chicken's egg contains hair growth peptide, which can stimulate hair follicles. Henna has cooling properties that can help soothe an aggravated scalp. You will need tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, cup of pure henna powder, egg yolk. How to make it by yourself. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water and leave them overnight. In the morning, add some water to a cup of henna powder to get a smooth paste. If you want the color to develop, leave this for 2 hours. Grind the fenugreek seeds and add it to the henna powder along with an egg yolk. Mix well. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it there for an hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and cool water. Hot water will cook the egg, making the smell impossible to get rid of. Avocado and yogurt hair mask. Summer sun is coming soon, but we're already thinking about the treatments that will help save our locks from all the chlorine and sun we're planning on exposing them to. To get a head start, we're turning to avocados, everyone's favorite and soon to be endangered. These can coat your hair shaft and help it retain moisture and texture. The natural oils in the fruit, yes, avocado is a fruit. Yogurt has hair conditioning properties that work with avocado to repair and condition dry and damaged hair. Honey and olive oil work together to seal in the nourishment and moisture imparted by the yogurt and avocado in this hair mask. Whether you're looking to keep summer damage at bay or just to moisturize your mane, try this DIY recipe. You will need cup of yogurt, ripe medium-sized avocado, tablespoons of olive oil, tablespoon of honey, shower cap. How creating process looks like. Mash the avocado until it is lump-free and add the rest of the ingredients to it. Mix well. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap and wait for 20 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and shampoo. Finish with conditioner. Repeat this procedure no more than once a week. Coconut mask with sugar and essential oils. Let's start this story off right with the answer we've been all waiting for. Does coconut oil make your hair grow? Yes, indeed it does. Coconut oil will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker and longer. The vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrate the cuticle of the hair. The sugar in this DIY scrub breaks down to glycolic acid, which dissolves dead skin cells. The peppermint oil helps promote circulation to the scalp, and tea tree oil is antifungal, antimicrobial, and antibacterial. What does it consist of? Tablespoons of raw, unrefined coconut oil, teaspoons of raw sugar, drops of peppermint oil, drops of tea tree oil. Let's look closer at creating process. In a small bowl, mix ingredients together. Once evenly applied, gently massage for 1 to 3 minutes and then clip your hair up and let it sit for the duration of your shower. What kind of masks do you use? Please write in the comments and share your recipes with us. Mayonnaise and olive oil mask. This common condiment is not only great for sandwiches, but also for adding shine to dull strands. Since the thick and creamy dressing is made with an emulsion of oil, egg yolk and vinegar or lemon juice, it has all the ingredients needed to take care of your hair. You can make some amazing hair masks at home and use it once a week. Few things that you need to keep in mind while using mayonnaise on your hair is to opt for one that does not have any herbs and spices, all natural ingredients. Let's start cooking. Cup of mayonnaise. Cup of olive oil. In a bowl, mix the mayonnaise and olive oil well and apply liberally, starting at the roots and working down to the tips. Cover your hair and leave the mask on for 30 minutes. Then wash off with shampoo. This mask works wonders for those with very dry hair without weighing it down. Beer rinse. Pay attention, beer lovers. This drink you love refreshes both your hair and the taste. As the beer undergoes fermentation, it contains a large amount of yeast that helps to smooth strands, a treatment that even Catherine Zeta-Jones swears by. The yeast present in it promotes hair growth and helps fight dandruff. Use it as a hair rinse after leaving it for a couple of hours to relieve sibilance. After you wash it, you're left with a supermodel-worthy hair, perhaps with a touch of college housewife on Thursday night. We need 200 milliliters of beer. Simple step-by-step process. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Rinse your hair well. Tilt your head back and pour beer over your hair. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse off with water. Then you can block the moisture by using cold water as a final rinse. Or you can also use beer after shampooing your towel-dried hair. Repeat this procedure no more than once a week. Honey, egg and apple cider vinegar mask. Honey is the sweetest step to hair health. Since it is a natural emollient and moisturizer, it is ideal as a conditioner and moisturizer. You can use it for anything from rubbing your hair to shining, depending on your specific needs. If your hair feels a little dry, it is a great moisturizer that adds shine and nourishment without weighing down the strands. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Teaspoon of honey, egg, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it in a small bowl. You can double the recipe or half the recipe depending on the length of your hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing. This nourishing treatment is suitable for all hair types. Green tea and apple cider vinegar rinse. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties. Among other things, it slows down hair loss, promotes hair growth and shine, and also reduces the formation of dandruff. Thanks to its antioxidants and nutrients, this powerful ingredient soothes and rebalances irritated scalp. Peppermint oil is a great addition. It has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to soothe and moisturize dry skin. For rinse mask, we have to mix cup of green tea, drops of peppermint oil, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir well, massage into skin and hair, and leave for 5 minutes before rinsing. There you have it. As you can see, you don't have to go far or spend a fortune when it comes to hair masks. Now go ahead and schedule that night of pampering for yourself. You deserve it. Suggest your topics, write comments and your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video. Each of your likes, comments and channel subscriptions motivate us to make more interesting content and delight you. See you soon, friends!